Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again with a brand new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Omegle on your phone. There is something that we need to understand, that if we try to actually open Omegle in the App Store, for example, and download the application, you will not find any results. Let me show you here. So if I search here for Omegle, as you can see, we will not really find any good results. As you can see, it's traveling in this area. So what can we do in the case? Well, it's pretty simple. We will need to open it in our browser inside of our phone. So simply go to your browser. So you can use whatever browser you have and search for Omegle. There we go. And here you go. So now all you need to do is to click on the first link. And once you do that, you are simply going to be taken to this page. And now you simply have to click on start chatting video and create your account. And there you go. It's very simple and quick and easy. Thank you guys a lot for watching and see you in the next video.